Well, I tried to Facebook Live the girls, but it didn't work. So when I'm home, these two littles get out and get some alfalfa. Meanwhile, Denny's like, why can't I have alfalfa? You're a wild thing, little miss. This little miss behind me here, we haven't named her yet. She won't let me touch her, so I can't let her out. I'd never get her back in. I could get Denver out, but here comes Holly. Holly's like, no, but you can get me. They all just had grain. The little ones don't get as much grain, so. Squish just came off a bottle. I see you, pretty girl. I do. She's like, Mama, bring me some. What's your problem? Here. Chloe, you better be nice if you come over here. Chloe's my herd queen. She tends to headbutt everything. You want it, Clover? Get it. Oh, Denny Pooh got it. You need some more? Here. You want that one? Oh, you want that one, Denny? So alfalfa's way too expensive to feed to the entire herd. We feed it to all the nursing moms. And we've got pregnant moms, but no nursing moms right now, so here she comes. Come on, little wild thing. This is Miss Annie, Ariel's little girl. And she's a wild thing too. We got a couple we can't get our hands on. They're just like, ooh, people. Here comes Holly. You want some, haha? You gotta come around, baby doll face. Got it? Good girl. Got it? Here, Denny. Oh, you need another one, little Annie? Okay. Let's see who gets it. Oh, Holly beat you to it, ma'am. Want that one? Carly's in the bucket eating.